Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit cocktail jello. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need one large box of your favorite flavored gelatin, like cherry or lime, and one large can of fruit cocktail, drained. Make sure you have a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a serving dish ready. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's prepare the gelatin. Carefully pour 2 cups of boiling water into a heatproof bowl. Add the gelatin powder and whisk continuously for about 2 minutes until it's completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, lump-free base for your dessert. Next, stir in 2 cups of cold water. This step helps cool the mixture down and prepares it for the fruit addition. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. Once your gelatin mixture is ready, it's time to add the star ingredient, the fruit cocktail. Make sure your fruit is well drained to avoid excess liquid. Gently fold the fruit into the gelatin mixture, distributing it evenly. Now, carefully pour the entire mixture into your desired serving dish. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours or until it's completely firm. Patience is key for a perfect set. After chilling, your delicious fruit cocktail jello is ready to enjoy. Serve it cold for the best flavor and firm texture. You can add a dollop of whipped cream or a sprig of fresh mint for an extra touch of elegance. This dessert is perfect for parties, potlucks, or a simple treat at home. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade jello.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.